Hello everyone, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Traded Capital Markets, and we're 3 minutes before market open. Let's check this out. So we have sell side that got swept uh, right at the end of London session, and buy side also around 6:30. So what do we have? Let's see. Continue. Let's go see in the bigger time frames. Quick to see what's up. Um, mm, mm, mm. So 1 hour. Obviously, okay, we got these relative equal highs up here, above, relative equal highs above there, and we got 1 hour fair value gaps over here. So from here to here, 1H, 1H. So I'm kind of doing my pre-market analysis live on the fly. FEG, one hour fair value gap right here. And I'm including the body because there's a little volume imbalance over here. And last but not least, this last one with the bodies closing above. All right. Let's go back into the little time frames. Market's about to open. 25 seconds. So we have these our fair value gaps here. Let's put them a little bit closer in time. Right here. And right here, right here. I'm not at my place today. Currently in the office. Let me see. Let's go live. Okay. So these are 1 hour fair value gaps. There you go, market open, starting to rip. We have these relative equal lows that just got formed right before market open. I don't know, maybe we sweep highs and then come back a little bit lower. Let's see, we'll use that as the sell side. Now we have that buy side that we want to go take. We might come back into this sell side before. So I'd possibly be eyeing this last 1 minute fair value gap to go long. Either this one or this one. They're two stuck back to back. Let's see, let's see. Maybe if I detach it like this. Yeah. Okay. Now I see. All right. We took these little relative equal highs on the 1 minute. Almost dipped into this fair value gap. Let's see. I want to see these relative equal lows get swiped and then continue higher from there. Look at the shirt. Everyone everyone just wants to obey intermarket correlations except for oil. Oil doesn't give a fuck. He's giving the middle finger. Ah. My wife made that as a gift to me for my birthday. I was really happy. Okay. Right now we're just kind of stuck within this range over here. Does this chart lean back? Let's see. Oh yeah, it does lean back. Nice. Lean back. These armrests down a little bit. Let's come a little bit closer like that. I could be a little bit in a more relaxed position to trade. So 9:30 open was, wait, let's see, right here. So this was the opening price. Let me just mark it. Like that we have it over here in black and dotted. And on the right, open. And text in black. Okay. Starting to break above. Let's see if, oops, sorry. Let's take that back. Let's see if we leave this open as a little fair value gap. I doubt it. But this is a balanced price range. So maybe. Let's load it up. And closed. So yeah. As I said, I doubted it, but it's okay. Next up in line, we're going to use this for value gap. And this inversion. Right here. So we took these highs, dipped back into this inversion slightly, didn't cross the consequent encroachment. After that, it's kind of interesting. Like, are we going to go and take these highs and come back, take these lows in the afternoon? Maybe. Right here. I forgot that the webcam was up here. These are a little bit suspect right here. these relative equal lows at sell side, all these sell stops below here. Buy stops, sorry. Stops. Okay, that seems better. Nah, I'm gonna keep it like this, like that. I see I'm using the interactive brokers live. Alright, so now we're breaking above these highs. We started gapping into this inversion and out of it. Volume imbalances, I mean. Right here, two of them. Buy side, very close by. So yeah, buy side's close. Nope. Let's see if that's the first presented fair value gap over here. Possibly. Okay, we took buy side. Let me just put it for now and adjust it if ever. Like I'm not running around to make colors and shit like that. Ten seconds. So yeah, it's gonna be left open unless in the last 10 seconds it drops back down completely, which I doubt. Yeah, exactly. So this is the first presented fair value gap. The only thing that I don't like is that it did it going into new highs. Into, yeah, taking the liquidity above these highs. So we could possibly come back down completely. But it also did it going into new highs. And out of this high. So technically, if we go with market structure, this should be a buy. But we just took the highs and we got relative equal lows laying right here. So I want to be patient. If ever, I'll go for a close above this high. A body close above these highs, I might go long. But for now, we remain calm, cool, and collected, analyzing the market. So you see this is obsolete now, and this can be used as an inversion if ever we come and dip back into it, right? This resistance that is swapping to support. All right, so far, like, it came back and closed within it in the first presented fair value gap. Let's see. I'm still gonna wait. I don't like those equal lows. Pardon me. Probably gonna pass here. Get a little bit of resistance at these like volume imbalances. We just took this high, and I'm probably gonna use this first presented fair value gap as a short to come and get these relative equal lows. If it comes back, closes below, and use it as an inversion. Because we just swept the highs, bodies didn't close above. So, a little bit suspicious in my eyes. There we go. Yeah, thought so. Okay. Let's zoom in here. Let's see if there's any inefficiencies. No, there's not. Not at all. Got to the bottom. Yes, it did what it had to do. You see this? We swept those highs. Now I'm going to use this as a inversion. And I'm going to short it right here. That with a take profit at these lows. Take profit at right here. I'd like it to keep this section open right here. Keep that section open slightly. No, don't do it. Go back down a little bit. A little bit back down. So I'd like this section to stay open. Yeah, like this. And I want this candle to come and reach me and go back down. Let's see if we do it. Yeah, it's okay. And if we take these lows, I'm not going to take the same trade. I'm not going to keep the same trade on. But I knew that this was going to happen. We swept the highs. Then we started inverting, but then it left a little bit too fast. It's going to take it. Yeah, right here. And cracked. Boom. Oh, not even. So I took these lows, didn't take these lows. Interesting. Now it's going to take them. Let's see. I'm going to swap to MNQ or not. Well, if we come back up here, I'm going to take the short. But no, we just took the lows. Okay. We just took the lows, but let's see if we break below. Let's take the Fibonacci retracement of this. So let me close this. Okay, let's take the Fib retracement of this. Drag it to this high. See what's good. And if you want to keep on going higher. So, quick rebalance right to the low of this candles right here, and we are shorting. Pretty strong too, but I knew it was gonna do that over here up top. I just was waiting for a short above in the first presented fair value gap. Didn't give me the opportunity to, and I shorted right away. So that was kind of what happened. But now we did do an expansion above, right? And now we're sitting at the pocket, the 618 retracement. The only thing is that we did break the structure over here. Let me see what it looks like on the 5-minute that breaker. This is it. See the 15-minute if we close below. No, 15-minute did not close below, but we still have 7 minutes and 45 seconds left. Okay, so we took a major buy side, minor sell side. Let's see if it passes this fair value gap, and this one right here. But personally, that would have been the one that I would have shorted. Let's see if we close below this fair value gap. This bullish fair value gap over here. Seems to me like it wants to close above. Yeah. All right. Fair enough. So now we're creating structure, right? Let's do the path over here to here. And we had from here to there. Let's see. Okay, now we broke below again. So that was the move over here. But I did not seem to be confident enough to take it at that. It's probably at the top of that 5-minute breaker. So let's see. 5-minute breaker right at the top. Not even. Midpoint about. But also this, I see this inversion on the 5-minute. Okay. That was the entry. Now that being said, we have a big gap down on Nasdaq. Maybe further acceleration to, if we go back on the 15-minute, 15-minute, further acceleration down to the 78.6, possible. 2 minutes and 40, 2 minutes and, oh yeah. Oops, not 1 second, sorry. 1 minute. Okay. I'm gonna use this volume imbalance as an entry for the for some shorts. If it, no. Okay, broke the low again. And the interesting part is that we broke the high, right, over here. Over here, we created some structure above and just briefly took these, the major buy side. So right now everything is showing short. I'm gonna wait until something short shows by, like a market structure shift. Ooh. Woke up early today. Let's see. So we just hit the 70% retracement, which is the zone that I like to see being hit when retracements happen. And it came to the top of this sort of range before it broke out in the late London session and then right back up in early AM New York. Bon appétit! All right. This is not a swing high over here because you have equal highs, right? And 15-minute probably didn't close below. Oh yeah, it did. Solid below. But the body over here. Let's see, probably going to see a market structure shift happen right about here and then continue for new highs on the day. Let's see. If we close above here, then we're going to start flipping these and going back up. So you see, we took a major buy side over here, right? And that's why I didn't get into this fair value gap above these highs because it was like a manipulation fair value gap. I'm just going to take the sell limit off. So it's a manipulation fair value gap. We just entered this volume imbalance over here. Let me mark it out for you guys. So volume balance started here, finishes here, and it right here. Volume imbalance. There you go. So now probabilities are much more skewed to the upside since we tapped into this last fair value gap that created this huge big expansion. Bodies closed within and started closing outside of the two stacked bullish fair value gaps on the left side over here. But we'll see if this volume imbalance is going to act as the point of resistance. Hello, Roger. Good morning. Good morning. You had a minor stop loss here. Okay, so where did you have your stop loss? Let's see. Let me just make this a little bit smaller, like that I can see your chat. Yeah, where did you have your stop loss? On the last low. So right here, you had your stop loss right over here, right? right over there. Okay. It's interesting. Did you take did you take it because of these fair value gaps over here? When it dipped into this fair value gap, you tried to buy it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, it is. It actually is. Okay, so this is the thing. It actually is, but then we tapped into this breaker. Okay, we went above the high and then shot down right away. So we used it as a second push to take all the people that went long over here. Okay, and now we're going to start probably shifting the market structure above these highs. So we used this bearish breaker to take these lows again, get to the 70% like that. You at least have a 30% of um, up move left after after both manipulations. Okay, because we went above this high and I didn't go long because this fair value gap was a fake momentum, because we just took the highs and we didn't break and close bodies above the major buy side, which I'm going to show you right here. Major buy side was right here. You see over here? So we just briefly went above, boop, and then reversed right away. I was trying to enter on this inversion fair value gap from the first presented fair value gap, but I couldn't. It left too quick and it didn't offer this bearish fair value gap. Okay, yeah. So on the low time frames, what I suggest you do is do like me and just wait for the like we had this market, either a market structure shift again. So we took the highs, then we took the lows right over here. So now we are waiting for a continuation below these lows to continue shorting, or a break of structure above these highs to actually bring the market all the way back up. So yeah, on the higher time frames, if you see it going into like a fair value gap, like on the 1 hour, the closest fair value gap on the 1 hour is down here. These ones right here, 1 hour, 1 hour, and 1 hour. All right. Do you see? I didn't buy on this candle because I know this not. I wanted a break or a continuation. Close above the consequent encroachment of the top fair value gap over here. Let's see if we can continue lower or higher. This might be another expansion lower because we just manipulated the major buy side without closing above. Do you hear me okay, Roger? Okay, good. Okay, I'm curious, what was your entry yesterday? Like exactly the time of your entry when you caught the big move. Let me go check the chat. One in the inversion fair value gap that turned on the minimum. And then when it breaks the first percent fair value gap, I added my position. Ah, yes, over here. When it turned inversion. Cool. All right, so as you guys can see, it does not want, every time it touches into that volume imbalance over here that it created, it doesn't want to go any higher than that. And I was still trading within this leg over here. All right, let's see. Still remaining within this fair value gapped body, so I'm interested to see if this one closes out, above and out. So it didn't close above and out. It's gonna probably close below the consequent encroachment. Yep. So I seem to be leaning towards the bearish side right now. Let's see. Manipulation, yeah. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Here it is. We're going a little bit more. We took this. Let's see. Let's see if we're able to break these lows over here. Because right now we're still trading within this leg. Over here we have a swing high. Let's go mark that out. like that, swing high within that leg that we're trading in. Here's your swing high. Market seems heavy right now, pretty heavy. I think they're accumulating now. No. Manipulation, distribution, accumulation, accumulation, right here, manipulation, distribution. Now they're in accumulation phase, yeah. Not distribution. This was a distribution right here after manipulating these highs. So yeah, and you could see how they're accumulating, not distributing. Because if it was distribution, people would be getting out their shorts. But people got out of the longs over here as the manipulation. Let's see. Let's extend these out over here. Bodies, once again, having a hard time. These are relative equal lows. We might create another dip below. Let's see. Unless we break this high and go and attack this one. But I doubt it. There you go. That's what I said. Okay. We took this low. Didn't take this low. This low candle body closed out. So technically, I need to have a body close below this to keep on shorting. Sell side. All right, there you go. You see this? We took this low, then take this low. Uh, might be able to start a balanced price range. But let's see if these bodies close within this. This became an inversion. And this is a fake rally gap within the inversion, but to the downside. So above the consequent encroachment of the bearish fair value gap. Probably come take these lows. Okay, so all of the candles bodies are closing within this bearish fair value gap. Empty that close above the last high on the open made me crazy. I have to be more patient. I was only searching for a buy entry. Yeah. Yeah. You have to switch your brain around very fast to be able to adapt. Sometimes it's tough. Sometimes you're sleepy, sometimes it's this, sometimes it's that, sometimes it's just ideas, preconceived ideas in your head, you know? Let's see. Come and take this low. All right, took that low again. Gap down. Let me go see on the 1 hour, more than 15-minute. Adjust time frames because we might be missing something. Okay, this is what we were missing. That's exactly what we were missing on the 15-minute. Right here. Just hit it, and it's probably going to come right back up. Yeah. That's fine. Okay, we see a gap up over here. So that was manipulation right there. Took the equal lows, and now we're gonna come start breaking structure again. I might just re-enter right here. Crazy risk reward if it comes and does that. But if it doesn't, I will be taking the first presented fair value gap to the upside over here. Okay. Shit. All right, we're in. I didn't wait for market structure to break because I think this is like a clear uh, manipulation. Let's see. I really think we could come back to the highs. Come on, push. There you go. Gapping up also. So 2 gap ups within 5 minutes. Let's see. Might not even be the one. But I do think people are accumulating right now. Interesting. Shorts are continuing. Probably gonna get stopped out right here. All right, rip. A little bit higher. We use this as an inversion again. Let's see. Okay. I don't want to adjust my stop loss. just by 1 point. Let's see. I'd like to see a big push up right now. Big push up. If not, that's fine. I'm willing to take the stop loss because I did. Let's see. Technically, yes. The stop loss should be below the London low. But for my leverage that I just took, I'm on I'm on the normal NQ contract. I'm gonna keep it that much amount of risk. But yes, technically we should be there. Come on. No. Now it's gonna go lower. We're gonna get stopped out. 100%. Yeah. Technically, yeah, it's supposed to be below this low. 406. Let's see. Nah, it's just too much risk for me. If I put it below that low. Come on, close above. All I wanted to close above this sell side liquidity. I still think it's gonna come take these lows. I really do think so. So what I'm gonna do, it's probably exit position and re-enter a bit lower. I think that's the move. The move is to exit this position and I think enter a bit lower. Unless we make a drive back up, but I doubt it. Yeah, exactly. Last seconds of the candle. Gap up. Let's see. Spending too much time down here. That's the only thing I don't like. There you go. That's what I thought. Still not feeling it. It's gonna come back down. It's gonna take these equal lows again. So possible place to put the stop loss, maybe 10 points lower. Yeah, no. Look, if it's gonna come and take this, it's gonna come take this, which is probably will. The chances are very high. These equal lows are very worrisome. I don't like this at all. Zero. I don't like this at all. I need to see it explode now up. A little bit higher. Yeah, no, it's not. It's not gonna do it. All right, so let's adjust the risk. Ah, fuck, I knew it. We're gonna get stopped out. It's fine. Right here on this candle. This is the one that's gonna do it. That's what, 10 more? 10 more. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I don't know. This is my last adjustment that I'm going to do to my stop loss, and it's going to be below this. That's 10 more. That's max. And that would be like a 1 to 1, 1.25 to 1. They're buying it. I mean, they're buying it every time it reaches there. It's just that it's probably going to come take these lows, expand a little lower, and then destroy me even over here. So it's going to do it. It's going to take these lows. But I'm sure that at the end of the day, it's going to be higher. That's the only problem. Yeah, there's the risk. There you go. It's going to come and take me probably. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, it's okay. That is part of the game. I'd like to see it go up now. Right here on this candle. One Swiss candle all the way back up. Let's go. Past that fair value gap over here. Use this as manipulation. This is really important. We pass this fair value gap. If we don't pass this fair value gap, I'm dragging my stop loss right here. But we have to pass this fair value gap. My internet just lagged. Okay, we're back. Yeah, it's not passing. Pass that fair value gap. Pass that fair value gap. Come on. Yeah, it's not going to do it. Okay, now I'm adjusting to these lows. My stop loss. We should get the drive right now. Is it me or my internet's lagging? I think my internet is lagging. Oh, no. It's just the market waiting to explode. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so there was your manipulation. We had those equals lows. They chilled right there. You want me to be honest? I probably won't. So let's say I'm gonna put back my stop loss at the initial loss stop over here. Because if it goes below that, then I don't really care about it. You see? I need a break above this. So sell stop here, back to the initial stop loss, and I really want to see this candle close a little bit higher than this. Because this is not good. Yeah, it's not good. Okay. Let's put out this low. Not good at all. It's gonna come get these lows. Can't believe it. I would add a position right here if I was in over leverage. Let's see what is gonna happen. Yeah, exactly. Right there at that inversion. Come on, buy it up. Buy it up. Buy it up. Let's do the market structure again. Let's see. If we could buy it up a bit more than this, if not, we're going to be stopped out. Yeah, we're going to be stopped out. It's just relentless. It's continuing. Currently 10:44. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. 10:45 is coming up. These are probably gonna come and get tapped into, so there might be a chance, maybe, but I don't think so. Because with a high like this over here, oops, sorry, with a high like this, jumping right back into this inversion and shorting right away, it's not the move. We'll see. Unless it's really loading something crazy. But what is going on over here? No. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today. I'm probably gonna post a post market trade because now it's approaching 11 o'clock. We're probably gonna rip to the. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how these candles react over here. But either stop loss or take profit. I gotta go do some other things right now. So yeah, Roger. I hope the trade goes well on your end if you ever took it. And once again, thanks for coming to the stream. Always a pleasure to have you here. And see you tomorrow. Bye. Ciao, traders.